Hi, this is Mrs. Robertson, and today we are going to be doing Chapter 6, Lesson 4, located on page 469. So open your books to that page, and we're going to go over how to solve two-step equations. We're taking it a step further than what we had accomplished in the earlier two sessions, or lessons, I should say, 3 and 4, or 2 and 3. Okay. So this lesson starts on page 469. We're going to skip on over to page 470, the vocabulary, two-step equations. And once we start doing the examples, you'll understand what it means by a two-step equation. First, we're going to look at the flow chart on page 470. Recall that the order of operations ensures that numerical expressions such as 2 times 5 plus 3 have only one value. To reverse the operations, undo them in reverse order. So you start with the 2 times 3 or times 5 plus 3 equals 13. Now we're going to undo it. At this point, this is when we start doing the inverse or undo. How do we undo what you just did? Well, you minus 3, divide by 5, and you're back at the 2. All right. Now, I think just actually doing the problems is going to be a little easier for you to understand than following the flow chart. It says a two-step equation such as 2 times x plus 3 equals 9 has two different operations. It has multiplication and addition. To solve a two-step equation, undo the operations in reverse order of the order of operations. Step 1, undo the addition or subtraction first. Step 2, undo the multiplication or division. Here we have one of those important green boxes. This equation is written as px plus q equals r, where p, q, and r are rational numbers. It has to be a rational number in order for this to be true. All right, so let's look at example 1. I would like for you to rewrite the problem over here to the right. So we have 2x plus 3 equals 9. You are first going to undo the addition by subtracting 3. Now you have 2x equals 6. Then you divide both sides by 2, undo the multiplication by dividing, and you end up with the answer x equals 3. Then we have the famous check step. Does 2 times 3 plus 3 equal 9? Why, yes, it does. You get 9 equals 9. Okay, let's go on now to page 471. On this page, we're going to do example number 2. Let's just rewrite it over here to the right. 3 times x plus 2 equals 23. You are first going to undo adding 2. Minus 2, minus 2. Don't forget to draw your line, cancel, bring down your equal sign. 3 times x equals 21. Divide by 3, divide by 3, x equals 7. These are very easy. We're not dealing with any integers, so they're very friendly today. Check step. Does 3 times 7 plus 2 equal 23? Well, 21 plus 2, it equals 23, so yes, it does. Okay, now we're going to go to example number 3. All right, we have to get rid of minus 7. To get rid of them, let's just redo it over here to the right. Negative 2y minus 7 equals 3. To undo subtracting 7, add 7, add 7. you now have negative 2y equals 10. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, y equals negative 5. Let's do the check step. Does negative 2 times negative 5 minus 7 equal 3? Negative times negative is positive 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Yes, it does. All right, we're going to save the fractions for day 2. So we're going to stop with example 3. And let's go ahead and do, we're going to do A, B, and C for right now. And then we'll do D, E, and F on day 2. So let's do these problems up here. I think if we write small enough, we can get this finished. 2x plus 4 equals 10 minus 4 minus 4. 2 times x equals 6. Divide by 2, divide by 2, x equals 3. All right, let's check our solution. Does 2 times 3 is 6 plus 4 equal 10? Yes, it does. All right, letter B. Let's fit letter B right here. All right, here we have 3 times x plus 5 equals 14. Minus 5 minus 5. 3 times x equals 9. Divide by 3, divide by 3, x equals 3. Let's do the check step. Does 3 times 3 is 9 plus 5 equal 14? Yes, it does. So the answer is correct. Letter C. Let's fit letter C over here. I think we can get it. This one's also. So we have here 5 equals 2 plus 3 times x. Minus 2 minus 2. 3 equals 3 times x. Divide by 3, divide by 3. 1 equals x. Let's double check it. Does 5 equal 2 plus 3 times 1? Yes, it does. Okay, now I want you to go to let's see, what page is it? Page 472. And I would like for you to do on page 472, I want you to do numbers 1 and 2. Then on page 473, I would like for you to do 1, 2, and 3. So you have a total of 5 problems for homework tonight. I know we had a quiz and things, but I think it's doable, and then we'll do the other problems on day 2. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.